Subscribe to Rirava's Kitchen and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello friends, with Raksha Bandhan just around the corner, let's start with some sweet to bite in. So today, sharing the recipe of Badam burfi just for you guys. Here I have taken around 125 grams of almonds. This I have soaked in hot water for about 1 hour. So now let's remove the peel of this almond. So once you soak it for some time, then it's very easy to remove the peel. You just take an almond and just lightly press this. See, the peel will get easily removed. Take an almond, lightly press this and the peel comes out easily. So in this manner, we are going to remove the peel of all the almonds. Always soak the almonds in little boiling water. Okay, then the peel comes off very easily. Now here I have removed the peel of all the badam. Now you can see the peel is removed completely. Now we'll take a clean kitchen towel and now we are going to pat dry this almonds. So put it on the towel, just dab it well and dry it. Because we are going to make a powder of this, so we have to dry the almonds well. Now once you have pat dried well all the almonds, dry roast this almond for about 2 minutes. Now here you can see that I have pat dried the almond well. Always whenever you are making badam burfi, take a heavy bottom pan, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So now we'll just dry roast it for 2 minutes on a low flame. You dry roast it so that even if there is any moisture left, it will just get dried. Dry roast this for 2 minutes. We will transfer it to a plate and allow this badam to cool down completely. Once it cools down completely, then we are going to make a powder of this badam. So whenever you are making powder of the badam, since badam may leave some oil, so always do it on a pulse mode. Now it's about a minute, so I'll just remove it on a bowl for it to cool down. Before we start our making of badam burfi, we'll do a little preparation before we start with the process. So now here I have taken few strands of saffron and I have added little milk and I have kept it so that the saffrons get soaked well in the milk and we get a good color. So keep this ready. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, about 150 grams of sugar. Take a plate, I'll grease it and keep it ready. So I'll grease it with little ghee. So my almonds have cooled down, so I'll make a powder of this. Here I have made the powder of badam. Now as you can see, this texture is a little grainy and it is all separated. So we need this type of a texture, not a paste type. We need this grainy type separated texture. So now all our ingredients are also ready. So we'll switch on the flame. Once the pan gets hot, we'll lower the flame and add 3/4 cup of sugar, that is around 150 grams of sugar. 6 to 8 tablespoons of water we'll add to this sugar. Now we have to make 1 string consistency syrup. The sugar has dissolved and now we'll cook this till we get 1 string consistency syrup. So keep cooking it. Ensure that you get that 1 string consistency, otherwise your badam burfi will not set well. Just drop a little on the plate, let it cool a little and touch it and see if you have got the 1 string consistency. So I have not yet got the 1 string consistency, so I'll cook it a little more. Now let's check the syrup again. You can see that it's forming 1 string well. So our syrup is ready. So at this stage we will add this powdered almond and give this a nice mix. Combine this well and keep mixing till it leaves the sides of the pan. Keep the flame on low and keep mixing it well. You can see the almonds have started coming together. Now at this stage we'll add this saffron milk and the cardamom powder. Now combine all this well. Saffron will give a nice color to the badam burfi, but this is optional. If you want, you can add saffron. Otherwise, you can just add cardamom powder. Now you can see they have started to leave the sides of the pan and it's not sticking to the bottom. So at this stage, I'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee, just 1 teaspoon, and bring all this together. As you can see, they are not sticking to the pan. Now you can see they are absolutely not sticking to the pan and they are coming together well. If you have any doubt whether this will set or not, or is my mixture ready, you can also try this method of checking. Just take a little portion. This will be very hot. Take this portion in hand and try to roll it. If you are able to form a ball without it sticking to your finger, that means your mixture is ready to be removed. So see, I can make a ball and it's not sticking to my fingers. So I will remove this on the greased plate. Switch off the flame. Take a bowl, apply some ghee to the bottom of the bowl like this, and immediately just flatten this with the bowl. Once you flatten this out, garnish it with few almond flakes and lightly press it on the. Now we'll let this set for some time, for about half an hour or about an hour or so, and once this sets, we will cut it into pieces. When it is little warm, you can make markings, and then later once it cools down completely, you can cut it into pieces. My badam burfi has cooled down, so I'll cut it into pieces. Here you can see my badam burfi is ready. Thank you so much for watching Rirava's Kitchen. Enjoy with your family, Raksha Bandhan, and stay connected with me. Friends, I have noticed that many of you are yet to subscribe to my channel, but you are appreciating my work. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon so that you get updates whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Raksha Bandhan. Stay safe and bye-bye.